just gonna walk up and down this beach till I'm warm. Barely got half a dozen laps done and it's starting to rain a little bit. Well, it's been 5 hours and I just got a message from the pilot that they're gonna try to leave. We'll see if they can make it. I can hear a plane. There's the plane. Thank you so much. Oh, I've got to catch my flight to Anchorage, so they just dropped me off on a dock right here outside the airport. Oh, heat. Got some dry clothes on.